Hey guys, how you guys doing? So I just woke up this morning, currently in Cape Town at the moment, and I just decided to review my charts, see how everything is going so far. So this video is going to be different from all the YouTube video I normally do. Now this is going to be more like a day in my life kind of video. What I do immediately I woke up, how I go to the charts, how I end up the rest of my day. I'll document every single information because I actually came to Cape Town for a meeting, not just for fun or anything. So let's quickly check what's going on in the markets. Immediately I woke up, I sent USD JPY sell to my Telegram community, but I had to tell them to close that trade and let's switch to gold buy. Although I was already buying gold earlier, but I sent it to them currently, and TP1 already hit. TP1 hits, so I just told them to break even, and the market is currently heading towards TP2. Now, what's the reason for me buying this gold? Now, the reason why I'm currently buying gold at the moment is because panic and tension is currently starting to rise back. Do you understand? Now, last night, I sent an information to my Telegram channel saying the US government votes 60-40 to advance bill to reopen the US government. Of course, we all know what has actually been going on. The whole US government shutdown has actually messed up the markets, number one. Number two, the NFP data is very, very bad. Do you understand? The NFP data is very, very bad because we've had so many companies dropping some of their staff. That's the reason why we've not been getting NFP data. Plus, the government was actually in the shutdown. So currently, now that they are saying they want to reopen the government, what are investors doing? How are traders positioned? Of course, you see investors running to gold. Why are they running to gold? Because they want the USD to first settle down after the government is being opened, then see what next for the dollar. We are almost ending November, and Powell has already mentioned that there will be more rate cuts before the end of the year. In December, the BOJ is also expecting what? Expecting to hike the rates. So these are informations you need to look out for before buying, before selling. Now, the reason why I always advocate for fundamental analysis is because you won't just buy because you want to buy. You won't sell because you want to sell. You would confidently buy, confidently sell. I could easily send a signal to my Telegram channel, and if it hits SL, I will explain why we lost that trade. And if the trade end up going our way, I will also explain. I don't allow one trade or one loss get to me. Do you understand? So come with me how I spend the rest of my day. Gold is currently moving well. We're currently heading to TP2. In fact, the market is about to hit TP2. Let me update them in the Telegram channel. The market is currently heading to TP2. Immediately we'll smash TP2. Then I'll go inside the bathroom, shower, wear my suit, then head out. So stay with me, guys. All right, guys. So currently TP2 just hit. You can see it here. This was our TP2. 4099.11. Where's gold price at the moment? 4099.45. Boom. TP2 hits. The week just started and we're currently up 150 pips. If you want to learn how to trade like Tony Sniper, you want to enter trade confidently, do well to join my Telegram channel. For those of you that have been asking for mentorship, just be calm. Mentorship is coming next year, February. For now, I'll give you guys free signal, educate you guys, and find a way to help every single struggling trader becoming what? Profitable. I've never shot a video like this, but the demand has actually been like, okay, we want to see how you live your life, how you wake up, what you do, blah, blah, blah. So as I just landed in Cape Town, I said, okay, I'll shoot that kind of video, tell you guys what I do. Immediately I wake up, what I do to the charts, what I look out for, how I shower. I've already prayed. Then I'll keep you guys updated. Peace, guys. Alright guys, so we just smashed 450 pips today on gold. TP1 and TP2 hits. I think it's time I head out for my meeting. So come with me, let me go check out some of my friends, then we head out for the meeting. Alright? So I just checked my trade now and all TP hits gold 4105. You can see it 4105. All TP hits. So let's head out. Bro, tag. My bro. Nice to meet you, my bro. Falcon, guys. Mr. Eric.
President of
My bro.
the universe.
The name, great.
Tony Stark himself.
Tony Sniper.
Bro, you look way nice and impressive, bro.
Thank you so much.
King of fundamentals.
Yeah, that's true. Thank you so much. The Sammy. Look sharp, my brother.
Don't play. Man, your suit is suiting.
Thank you so much, my bro. Almost at 5K. Just running very well. At the end of the day, you just need to just say, no more procrastination. We're starting today. That's
And I tell people that do it when you're not ready.
Definitely. Sammy was also part of the motivation. Because you started that YouTube stuff and made everybody got consistent with it. But most people, they post today, say after 4 months, necessary. Whenever you start something, you need to go fully into it. Fully. Wow, just came back from the meeting and it was actually quite eventful. Got to meet so many people in different countries, by the way. Network, like I said earlier, remember at the top, people collaborate and network. But at the bottom, that's where you see people dragging each other. When you find what works for you in terms of trading, stick to it, get better at it, build your brand. I promise you, deals will rush you. I just got inside, let me pull my clothes, dress up, then probably maybe go take a swim tonight. Let's see. Morning traders. I just woke up today. I was a bit tired from yesterday. That was why I couldn't show you guys my routine in the night or what I end up doing every single night. But I just woke up this morning, just finished brushing. I'm gonna head to the chat so that I'll send daily outlook for my students. Let's go. It's sunny today. Alright guys, so like I said yesterday, come see the chat. I sent my community a gold setup, right? And we ended up catching over 300 pips from this gold buy that happened here. Okay, you can clearly see the buy. It was a very, very clean buy, and every single person from my community actually made money yesterday. You can see all TP was hit, all TP hit. So what I want to do today, as usual, I always send you guys daily outlook every morning. Some of you are wondering how I record the video, how I take time to analyze. Well, immediately I wake up, first thing I do, this is my routine. If you want to follow it, good. You pray. Either you're a Muslim or a Christian. When you go to the bathroom, you brush your teeth. And once you're done brushing your teeth, that's when you should come to your chart and look for any setup that could be favorable for that day. Well, I give signals to so many people. So I have to come to the chart, look for nice setup, record a daily outlook, then send it to my Telegram channel. Now, the reason why you see most mentors running away from giving signals, they just offer mentorship is because giving signal is harder than trading itself. Any trader you know giving signals to over 1,000 plus individuals every single day or every single week, you should respect that trader, because so many traders are running from it. Some will just post profit, then offer mentorship. The real work is when you want to give them signal, because when you give somebody signal that is not good, it will drag you. Do you understand? So let me record this daily outlook, then I'll step down to go eat breakfast. All right. So what I do, I normally come to Zoom, record from Zoom, then just export it to their channel. Okay.
Recording in progress.
All right. Good morning, guys. Hope you guys had a wonderful night rest. Well, yesterday we were able to make some cool cash from gold, and like I said, gold is coming back to clear this liquidity here. Do you understand? Now, once we get this set up and the market has cleared this liquidity, definitely I told you guys gold was going to push back up to this level here, which is where gold is at the moment. Take out this liquidity, then we'll see a huge dump to the downside. Now, where am I expecting to sell gold from? I'm expecting to sell gold from 1670. Do you understand? If we can get one more push into here, then I'll sell gold to the downside. Why will I be sell gold? Because by then, the liquidity here will be cleared. Or even one more push a bit longer to this part here, then I'll definitely be looking for what? More shorts on gold. Now, let's look at AUD USD. Now, if you look at AUD USD, the charts actually look a bit more bullish at the moment, especially on the daily time frame. So I still expect to see one more push at least to clear this liquidity here. One more push at least to this level here, and before we can start looking for maybe a dump or something. Do you understand? So if you trade AUD USD, you want to be looking for what? You want to be looking for a bit more buy to the upside. Now, of course, if you're buying AUD USD, you don't need to waste your time for what? For NZD USD. You understand? Because they move alike. So if you're buying AUD USD, definitely you should be looking for what? You should be looking for a little bit of push on NZD USD. Then finally, let's look at US oil. US oil, of course, we've been waiting for this setup for the past 3 weeks. Hopefully, the setup gets to play out and the market comes into the zone. Once the market just comes into the zone here, right, on US oil, just start buying US oil. This might be the trade that changes your life forever. USD JPY, like I said, I told you guys yesterday, USA is coming back from the bank shutdown. Although we've not heard any significant news from Japan, which is the BOJ. So nothing really is going on there. I would advise you to stay out of USD JPY for now. Trade other pairs, GBP AUD, BTC USD, and so on and so forth. They are all good. Of course, I told you guys AUD USD is preparing to start pumping. And what do you expect from GA? More dump to the downside. Do you understand? More dump to the downside. So immediately I get a signal, definitely I'll share to the group. And after I send my daily outlook to my Telegram channel, then I allow my students to watch the video. Then I go to my mentorship channel, get to answer questions, see who is confused from what they've learned so far, fundamental analysis, supply and demand. Then I send the signal for that day. I don't even trade more than one on a good day, maybe just 2 in a day. That is if the first one hits SL. I always look for a recovery setup. But if I get the first trade and we get over 100 or 150 pips, I'm done for that day. I'm very, very conservative when it comes to trading. So that's all. And I'll be sending them the daily outlook now. Then we move to breakfast. So I just sent the daily outlook to the Telegram channel, and we'll be trading GBP AUD today. So let's go have breakfast, guys. Grab the rest of them. So I just sent the signal to my Telegram channel now to sell GBP AUD. Let's see what happened on that setup. I'm currently inside the trade already, and hopefully the market goes in our direction. So yeah.
Go.
Okay. Morning, guys. Let's head to the gym. Alright, guys, so I'm about heading out now. Let me check the setup I sent to them this morning on GBP AED. Let's see what's going on. If you look at the chart at the moment, I still expect a huge dump on GBP AED. I still expect a huge dump because all these are exhaustion. And if you pay attention to this level here, you can find a lot of liquidity. So I'm currently still holding my sell. I just opened the sell here. So I'm currently still holding my sell and my TP is about 1 to 15. So let's see what will happen. All right. So I'll update you guys when I'm back, and peace.